Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
The art of conflict resolution. Can conflict bring you closer together or further apart? Healthy couples experience conflict, but how they handle it can determine whether it brings them closer together or drives them apart. Conflict is a natural part of any relationship, arising from different perspectives, values, and needs. How couples navigate these disagreements can profoundly impact the strength and intimacy of their bond. Conflict can catalyze deeper understanding and connection between partners. When approached constructively, disagreements allow couples to communicate openly, express their feelings, and gain insight into each other's perspectives. This process of sharing and listening fosters empathy, which is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another, and reinforces mutual respect, essential elements of a healthy relationship. Consider the example of Jackie and Billy, who have been together for 5 years. They both have demanding careers, often leading to stress and fatigue. One evening, Jackie expresses frustration that Billy has yet to be helping with household chores as much as she would like. Initially, Billy feels defensive but listens to Jackie's concerns without interrupting. Through their conversation, they uncover that Jackie feels overwhelmed and unsupported, while Billy admits he hasn't realized the extent of her stress. Instead of escalating into a heated argument, their conflict becomes an opportunity for growth and understanding. They develop a plan to share household responsibilities more equitably and schedule regular check-ins to discuss their individual needs and concerns. This process not only resolves their immediate issue, but also strengthens their communication and reinforces their commitment to each other's well-being, leading to a deeper and more fulfilling relationship. This example shows that even in the face of conflict, there is always a potential for positive change and a brighter future. However, conflict can also have detrimental effects if handled poorly. When couples resort to blaming, criticizing, or withdrawing during disagreements, they risk creating distance and eroding trust. Unresolved conflicts can fester and lead to resentment, damaging the emotional connection between partners over time. This can result in feelings of loneliness, dissatisfaction, and even the breakdown of the relationship. For instance, consider Chris and Nadia, who have been together for 3 years. They frequently argue about financial decisions, with Chris preferring to save and Nadia wanting to spend more freely. Instead of finding a compromise, they'd often end up in bitter arguments where hurtful words are exchanged. Over time, these conflicts leave them feeling misunderstood and emotionally distant from each other, jeopardizing the strength of their relationship. This can lead to feelings of resentment, a lack of trust, and a breakdown in communication, making it even harder to resolve future conflicts. In such cases, conflict resolution skills become crucial. Healthy couples often learn to manage conflicts by actively listening, expressing emotions without blame, and seeking mutually agreeable solutions. They recognize that disagreements are inevitable, but view them as opportunities to strengthen their relationship rather than sources of division. This highlights the power and control that individuals have in shaping the course of their relationships through constructive conflict resolution. Moreover, repairing and reconnecting after a conflict is equally important. Couples who apologize sincerely, forgive each other, and move forward demonstrate resilience and commitment to their relationship's well-being. This might involve discussing the conflict once both partners have calmed down, expressing understanding and empathy for each other's feelings, and making a plan to prevent similar conflicts in the future. This reconciliation reinforces their emotional bond and builds trust to weather challenges together. Yes, healthy couples experience conflict, but the key lies in managing and resolving it. Conflict can bring couples closer together when approached with empathy, respect, and a willingness to understand each other's perspectives. Through effective communication and constructive conflict resolution, couples like Jackie and Billy can not only resolve their differences, but also deepen their emotional intimacy and strengthen their bond over time. Conversely, unresolved conflict and negative conflict management strategies can drive couples like Chris and Nadia apart, highlighting the potential risks and the importance of cultivating healthy relationship skills for long-term happiness and connection. This serves as a reminder of the potential consequences of unresolved conflict, motivating individuals to improve their conflict resolution skills. Diamonds are forever. Marriages are not. If you are considering a divorce or separation, consult with the compassionate and experienced team at the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. Call 855-768-8845 or visit www.askthelawyer.us to book a consultation. The lawyer you hire does make a difference.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.